Hello, welcome back to another video from GeoDev Space, my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna go over another platform that I developed. This one is called Vibe Marketing Studio. So I came up with this one based on the whole vibe marketing and vibe coding thing that was going around. So I created it as a studio. So I'm just gonna go into it and show you guys how it works. It's actually a really great platform and you could access it at vibemarketingstudio.com. So, firstly, this is what the home page looks like. As you can see, it looks really intuitive, and you have different pages and everything that you could go on. So, the main thing that we're going to be doing today is going over the actual studio, see what it does. So, let me just log in with this test account that I have. So, I logged in and let me see. So this is the studio itself. So the Vibe Marketing Studio, it does a really cool thing where it plays music for you. So you could like play music and listen. I was supposed to integrate um Spotify into it so that you could connect your Spotify and listen to like your Spotify music and stuff that you have. But that's something that I haven't completed as yet. But currently it has like these beats, these open source beats that I integrated into it. Let me just play one of them for you. It's really cool actually. Let me see. So I'll play this one. And then this is another one that it plays. And then it plays these. So it plays some really cool music. It's just really just vibe, because the old vibe thing, I put the spin on it where you could play music, so it's like a vibe. You're building the vibe. So that's what I created from that. And then like the platform allows you to generate a post and it also generates an image for you. So for example, you could create a post based on something that you're working on. So I will show you a prompt that you could say. So for instance, you could say I you could say vibe marketing studio.com. So you could just say vibemarketingstudio.com is a marketing idea, marketing post generator, right? And then you could tell it that can you create an e can you create a post, or you could say maybe a LinkedIn post or Facebook, depending on what you want. You could tell it. So you could say, can you create a LinkedIn post? Okay, let me just play some music. Well, I don't want to. Well, you could play like when you're doing this, it's the vibe. So you could just kind of play music at the same time while you're doing that, right? Yeah. So you could say, can you create a LinkedIn post, marketingvibe.com, and then you would select. So you don't even have to tell it which way you want it to go because you could select it from here. So you'd select from the drop down LinkedIn. So after that, you would click on generate post. So right now it's generating the post and the visuals for you. and we're building a vibe at the same time, right? So this is great. So this is what it came up with. It says elevate your marketing game with vibemarketingstudio.com. Easy to use marketing post generator will help you create captivating content that drives results. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to seamless marketing campaigns. Wow, that's cool, right? It's literally marketing itself. And then the graphics looks really cool. Vibe, like it just looks weird, but it's actually pretty cool. I think it's great. So you could save it because right now the app doesn't have like a bucket to store all the images where you could go back and see all your generated images. But that would be something that I was gonna eventually create for you, so you could see all your images and everything. Because it does have a save to library button, but it doesn't pull them into a spot for you right now. But that's something that I was gonna work on. But the this is the post. This post is really good. I actually want to actually use it, but I was just like kind of doing a video for you guys. So the image you would like to you what you want to do is you want to download the image. So when you do that, it kind of brings the page into this place where you have to save the image manually, because as I said, I don't have the thing set up for you as yet where you could see all your images and everything. So after you save the image, you would go back and then you could see posts and stuff, and you could start playing your music again, right? So that's Vibe Marketing Studio Post Generator. It looks really great. I actually really love the vibe that it brings. And then this is the studio. It gives you 25 free credits, and I haven't really set up the paywall properly. So if you want to use it, what I would love for you to do is donate. Like you could go to romananswer.com, that's my main website, and donate. And then you could like donate whatever you want, and then you could use the platforms that I have. I have like a lot of platforms, and then like so in Vibe Marketing Studio, let's go back to this. It has like all these different links to about 25 or more social media platforms for you, because a lot of people, they just know about Facebook, um, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and stuff, right? X.com, whatever it is, and then they don't really know about all the different platforms that are out there. So this curated list of platforms gives you all the different platforms. It has TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Discord, Medium, Quora, Tumblr, WhatsApp Business, Telegram, WeChat, Yelp, Google My Business, TripAdvisor. It has Dribble, GitHub, Stack Overflow, Product Hunt, and it has way more. So basically, it kind of gives you the vibe that it's not just the main players that are out there. There's different, like, especially like Pinterest. Pinterest is like really good. I heard there's like a lot of stuff that you could do on it and make a lot of money on it and stuff. So it's just a vibe, as I said. So that's it. And then supposedly, um a lot of people also don't do like auto posting. So this is what I was trying to set up for you guys, where you could do auto posting, but right now it's not totally set up. But as I said, the post generator is working really great, so that's one thing. So the auto posting, it needs to be completely set up, and it was supposed to use screen recognition to do it, which I'm still working on it right now. And then the post library is where it saves all your posts. This was easier to code, right? It's just words and like a database. The images was a bit harder to set up where it saves it, but eventually I'm going to be able to save the images. So it's going to be an image library at the top here. But now the post library is set up where you could come back to your post and you could see them and like use them in the future. So even if I log out and log in, that post that I just generated is going to be right here. And I save the images to my laptop, so it's there, right? And then the analytics page wasn't set up properly. Something wrong with the code in it that I need to fix. But basically, platform is able to use, you could see that it's able to generate the post for you. It plays the music for you. Those are the two main features that it does, and then the email is set up with MailChimp so far, but it's supposed to be set up with all these different platforms: MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and all these different email marketing. I need to finish doing them. But right now, the MailChimp is set up. So the way it works is you would connect this to your MailChimp. You would log in and it uses OHAR to connect you. And then what you would do is you would kind of select from the different campaign types that the app has. So it has newsletter, promotion, welcome series, product launch, event invitation, follow up, re-engagement. So these are different emails that you could send. Like re-engagement might be because you haven't sent an email recently to the thing, right? To the people that you have in your email list. So you would do a re-engagement with them, which I actually need to send a re-engagement to my people that I have, my subscribers. So what you would do is you would tell it what you want, because this one is set up. So let me show you what it would look like when it's finished. So you would say, hello, can you generate an email that markets my portfolio, romanhancel.com, to my email list subscribers. Um, romanhancel.com is a portfolio of GIS and marketing tools. He has a lot of experience in land surveying and LinkedIn. But basically, you would want to give it a really good information so that it could generate a proper email for you, because this is going to go out to your subscribers. So you make sure that everything is set up, because it's not a joke. It's going to get sent out. I'm not going to send this one, but it was supposed to be sent out. So you click generate email content, and it's going to generate it for you. It's really cool. This is like a really great platform. To tell the truth, I don't even know why I'm not making money from this stuff. It's really because my marketing is like, I don't have really good marketing, so that's really why I'm not really making any money from this stuff. So it says subject: rediscover the power of GIS marketing and marketing tools with Roman Hansel. You see that? That's great, right? It's because I selected re-engagement. It kind of automatically kind of set it up like that, and then this is what the HTML looks like, because the email, it composes it for you and stuff, so it looks like a HTML. And then uh this didn't come out so good. The preview didn't come out so good, but the expanded view. So this is what the email would look like when the person gets it. As you could see, there is like this HTML tag right there. That's like something wrong with the HTML. But I think we could go to the HTML and delete it, and it's not going to affect the email. I might actually send this one out because it looks really clean. So you would want to go back to the preview and click expand. So you can see it looks great, right? It says, welcome back to Roman Ansel's world of GIS and marketing. Hi there, it's been a while since we last connected, and I wanted to personally invite you to rediscover the innovative GIS and marketing tools available at romananswer.com. With extensive experience in land surveying and strong LinkedIn presence, I am dedicated to providing cutting-edge solutions that can transform your marketing, your projects, and enhance your business strategies. Whether you're looking to optimize your land surveying process or leverage powerful marketing tools, my portfolio offers a wealth of resources and insight tailored to your needs. Wow, this is great. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your projects with the latest in GIS technology and marketing expertise. Wow, this is great. I'm actually gonna have to send this one out. I didn't know it was gonna come out so nice. It's really short and it's really great re-engagement email. Man, I'm gonna have to send this one. So I have my email on the mailing list also. So when I send it out, I see a copy of the email that is sent. So that's another way to kind of that's basically I guess you guys might know. I don't know who's watching the video, but like if you're gonna send out an email like this through like a software like this, you'd want to make sure that you see what's being sent. I don't know what happened to my thing that it ended up like this. That's so weird. Like it has a mobile setup. I need to But basically, what you would once you generate your email and everything looks good, and you looked at it and you looked at the preview, you would click send email, and then it's gonna send it. And this one is actually gonna send because I just liked how it came out, and I'm just gonna send it. So it's you see what it says: email campaign sent via Mailchimp. So that's it, guys. That's how you send an email to Vibe Marketing Studio, and I also showed you earlier how the generate post works. So those are the cool features I created at Vibe Marketing Studio. It has the cool vibe for you guys and everything. I just got the email on my phone. I'm not logged into that email on my I'm not logged into that email on my computer, so I can't show it to you. But I could go on it on my phone to look at it, just to make sure it looks great. Let me see. Go, oh, it hasn't. It seems like it hasn't come through as yet, but it is gonna eventually come through. Yeah, but that's it. That's it. I hope you guys like this video. I like the vibe, and I really want you guys to comment and just reach out to me because like I've been creating a lot of platforms. I didn't really want to go into them in this video because this one is like a specific to vibemarketingstudio.com. But I have like a million different platforms. Well, not a million, but I have like a lot of platforms, and I want to build my YouTube presence. So I just want you guys to subscribe and like stay tuned because I have like if I do like one video each for each platform, and then I probably make a general video about all the platforms. That's like almost like 10 videos. That's how much. That's basically almost all the Well, not almost, not all of them, but like basically, if I do that, then I have like content for a while. So I just want you guys to stay tuned.